Hello everyone, I am Dr. Dipali Baburde. It is my privilege to present this session on professional ethics, universal human values, and constitutional responsibilities, building responsible citizens and ethical professionals. This topic is part of short-term course organized by UGC Malviya Mission Teacher Training Center, Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Today's world is changing rapidly because of technology, globalization, and artificial intelligence. Every day we learn new skills, earn degrees, and become experts in different professions. But let me ask you one simple question. Is technical knowledge alone enough to become a good professional? Imagine a highly qualified doctor who is dishonest, or an engineer who ignores safety standards, or a teacher who is unfair to students. Would safety trust them? Certainly not. Knowledge gives us competence, but ethics gives us character. Today, we will understand how professional ethics, universal human values, and constitutional responsibilities work together to shape individuals who are not only successful professionals but also responsible citizens. Now, why all this matters? Let me begin with a situation. Suppose you find a wallet on the road containing rupees 10,000 and important document. Nobody is watching you. What would you do? Return it, keep that money, or ignore it. This situation is not about intelligence, it is about values. Everyday professionals face similar ethical decisions. Doctors decide how to treat patients fairly. Teachers evaluate students honestly. Engineers ensure buildings are safe. Managers make decisions affecting hundreds of employees. Software developers protect users' personal information. These decisions influence people's lives. Therefore, success today is not measured only by qualification or salary. It is also measured by honesty, responsibility, fairness, and compassion. That is why ethics has become an essential part of every profession. Now, what is professional ethics? Let us understand professional ethics. Professional ethics refers to the moral principles and standards that guide our behavior in the workplace. It helps us answer an important question: what is the right thing to do? Sometimes there is no written rule, still, we must make ethical decisions. Professional ethics balances three important interests. First is personal interest, our own career and benefits. Second is organizational interest, the goals of the institution where we work. Third is public interest, the welfare of society. A truly ethical professional balances all three. For example, a teacher gives equal attention to every student. A doctor keeps patient information confidential. A banker refuses to accept bribes. An engineer reports a defect even if it delays a project. These professionals may face difficulties in short term, but in the long run, they earn something much more valuable, that is, trust and respect. Remember this important sentence: skills may help us get a job, but ethics help us build a successful career. Now, what are the core principles of professional ethics? Professional ethics is based on six important principles. First one is the integrity. Integrity means being honest even when nobody is watching. It means our words are and actions should always match. Second one is accountability. We should accept responsibility for our decisions instead of blaming others. A responsible professional learns from mistakes. Third one is the competence. Learning never stops. Professionals should continuously update their knowledge and skills. For example, teachers attend faculty development programs, doctors participate in medical training, software engineers learn new programming technologies. The fourth one is confidentiality. Professionals often handle sensitive information. Patient records, examination papers, financial data, and personal details must be protected. Fifth one is objectivity. Our decisions should be based on facts, not personal likes or dislikes. Bias and favorism reduces trust. And the last one is respect. Respect means treating everyone equally with dignity, irrespective of gender, religion, caste, language, or background. Now, I would like you to think for a moment, which of these six qualities do you think is most important in our profession? So, all these things are required more and more important in our profession. Now, the next one is universal human values. Let us move to universal human values. These are values accepted across all countries, cultures, and religions. Some important universal values include truth, compassion, justice, human integrity, non-violence, cooperation. These values unite. These values unite humanity. Technology is developing rapidly. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries. But technology without values can become dangerous. For example, a company may earn huge profits by polluting rivers. A social media platform may spread false information. An AI system may discriminate against certain groups. Can such success be called real success? Certainly not. Therefore, human values gives direction in knowledge. The next one is constitutional responsibilities. India's constitution is much more than a legal document. It represents the dreams and aspirations of our freedom fighters. It guarantees fundamental rights such as equality, freedom, education, and justice. However, rights always come with responsibilities. The Constitution built upon four important values: justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. These values strengthen democracy. As educated citizens and professionals, we should understand only our rights and our duties. So, what are the fundamental duties? Article 51A of our Constitution lists the fundamental duties of every citizen. Some important duties include respecting the Constitution and the national flag, promoting harmony among people, protecting public property, developing scientific temper, protecting forest, wildlife, and the environment, striving for excellence in every field. These duties may appear simple, but they have a powerful impact. For example, not damaging public property, planting trees, following traffic rules, helping people during disasters, rejecting corruption, respecting people from different cultures. Every small responsible action contributes to nation building. A strong nation is built by responsible citizens, not only by governments. Now, how these three connect? Let us connect all these ideas. Professional ethics tells us how we should perform our work. Universal human values explain why we should care for other human beings. Constitutional responsibilities remind us what we owe to our nation. These three concepts are interconnected. Imagine a triangle. One side represents ethics, one side represents values, and one side represents constitutional responsibilities. If one side becomes weak, the triangle cannot remain strong. Similarly, an ideal professional needs all three. Only then we can build an ethical society. So now let us consider a real world dilemma. An engineer discovers a serious safety defect in a bridge just 1 week before its inauguration. The project has already cost crores of rupees. Political leaders want the bridge opened immediately. The engineer receives pressure from senior officials. If the engineer reports the defect, the project will be delayed. The engineer's promotion may suffer. If the engineer remains silent, thousands of innocent people may lose their lives. Now, I would like to ask all of you, what should the engineer do? The ethical decision is clear. The engineer must report the defect. Professional ethics demands integrity. Human values demand compassion. Constitutional responsibility demands protection of public safety. This example teaches us that ethics often require courage. Doing the right thing is not always easy, but it is always worthwhile. Now, building responsible citizens and professional ethics or ethical professionals. So, how can we apply today's learning in our lives? We can begin with simple habits. Be honest even nobody is watching. Respect every individual. Avoid discrimination. Keep learning throughout life. Protect the environment. Reject corruption. Know both your rights and your duties. Serve society through your profession. Remember, great leaders are not created by one extraordinary action. They are created through small ethical decisions made consistently every day. So, in conclusion, skill plus values plus duty. So, professional ethics build trust, universal human values build humanity, constitutional responsibilities build the nation. When these three work together, they create responsible citizens and ethical professionals. Whether we are teachers, engineers, doctors, scientists, managers, lawyers, or public servants, our work influences society. Therefore, our success should not be measured only by our achievements, but also by the positive impact we create. I would like to conclude with the inspiring words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts results in action. Let us dream an ethical India, practice human values in our daily lives, fulfill our constitutional responsibilities, and contribute towards building a peaceful and prosperous nation. Thank you very much for listening. Have a wonderful day.